guys, we're back and we're going to check out an Xbox Series S. It says right there, Xbox Series S. Not an X, you weeb. Get it together. Alright, hold on. I actually gotta pause this video real quick. Okay, we have the Xbox taken out of the package. I have to just... Oh, another fucking... Ugh. Yeah, hold up. There's some more shit. More shit. Hold up. Alright, let's just... Alright. Power your dreams. I don't know why that's there. I don't know why that's there. That shit's so old. Like, that picture might just be so fucking old. Like, that is not on Fortnite anymore. Like, I'm not kidding. No. Okay, I can't. Right, wait, BRB. I gotta pause again. Alright, I got the main thing open. Don't mind the pauses. I'm just... Look, I can't... Did I just do something bad? I think I didn't do something bad. Alright, I see the Xbox. Guys, I see the Xbox. Now, I see the Xbox. Oh shit, I think I broke something bad. The Xbox instantly broke. Huh? My fucking struggles. Right, I got something out at least. Now I see the Xbox. I see the Xbox now. I am holding that. Why is that shit so small? What? This shit is so small than my old Xbox. Like, I'm not kidding. This is way smaller than my old Xbox. Wait, isn't it? Didn't it say it's coming with a controller? It said it's coming with a controller. What? Okay. There's the Xbox controller, by the way. Like, you can barely see it, but like, that's the Xbox controller. I gotta put this on the ground right now. The only thing you can hear is just me. I got the Xbox. Get out, you fucking ratty controller. Get out, you rat. Get out, you fucking... Alright. Got the controller out. Yo, look at that. Don't tell me that looks... Tell me that looks cool. This is the Xbox. That's the controller. Oh my god, why do I get scared? Alright. I got the controller. Oh my god, this just feels so clean. Oh. Look at this. That is too cool. Look. There's something else in the bag, by the way. It's batteries. It is batteries. Boys, we officially have batteries for this. I fucking love this. Okay. Now I got the wires. There's the wires. So here's the wires. And that's the controller. This is the Xbox inside. Now we gotta clean all of that shit up. I'm sorry if you guys couldn't see like most of my opening, because how am I gonna open something that hard with only one fucking hand? Don't want my school clothes right over there. Don't want my school clothes. Alright, be right now. That's the end of the video. Bye bye.